Stuck without wheels? You're in luck. It's the new one from Ford, the fun-loving Fairlane. It's got the room, because this baby's full size inside. And it's got the zoom, because you can get the Fairlane with the optional new Challenger 260 V8. All this for a price that's way, way down. The girls are an option. After all, you can't have everything, but you'll come awful close to it in a new Fairlane from Ford.
Now here's a commercial with a twist. The Falcon twist.
You're going to get a new Falcon?
A 62 Falcon.
Everybody loves Falcon, so listen, Malcolm. Pick me up in your Falcon. I'll be ready at 8.
I'll be there with my Falcon. We'll have a wonderful ride.
And I'll be right at your side.
Economical Falcon. Costs so little to run.
With the money we save with a Falcon, we can sure have a barrel of fun.
Everybody loves Falcon.
Lots of reason to boast.
'Cause you get more from a Falcon.
The car America loves the most. It's America's favorite, so economical, low-price compact car. Oh, Malcolm.
Go to your Ford dealer. You'll be welcome, Malcolm.
Why change oil on an annoying, old-fashioned schedule when you can eliminate all these oil changes with Ford's twice-a-year maintenance? Before its hood is open for an oil change, the 62 Ford Fairlane or Galaxy will have gone 6,000 miles, or 6 months will have passed. Ford is the only manufacturer to offer convenient twice-a-year maintenance. See all that Ford has to offer at your Ford dealers. The new 60 Falcon. More from the car America loves most.
Have you seen a new Falcon? New Falcon, Ford Falcon. Have you seen a new Falcon? So boy, what they've got.
They've got an all-new wagon, the Falcon Squire. Smart simulated wood grain side paneling makes it the only compact wagon of its kind. There's a new Falcon Futura, too. Its individually contoured twin front seats and handy personal console offer top comfort and elegance.
13 wonderful Falcons, new Falcons, and what have they got? Whee! They've got a lot. They've got beauty. That's what they've got. They've got comfort. That's what they've got. They've got savings. That's what they've got. They've got low price. That's what they've got. 13 wonderful Falcons, Ford Falcons, all waiting for you. New for 62.
These are new car price labels. They all seem more or less alike, except for this one, the price label of the 62 Ford Fairlane. It's different because even though the Fairlane has big car room and offers V8 zip, plus fine car quality, it still costs less than many compacts. There's never been a buy like Fairlane because there's never been a car like Fairlane. See this price label and the new Ford Fairlane at your Ford dealers.
This is Detroit at the finish line of the 2,500-mile cross-country 1962 Mobile Economy Run. Last week, 44 American cars in the hands of expert drivers crossed this finish line, marking the end of the run. The official United States Auto Club results reveal that the big news was made by Falcon. For the second year in a row, a Falcon has scored over 30 miles per gallon in this cross-country run. And here is the car that set this year's mark. Powered by the famous Falcon 6 engine, this stick-shift Falcon scored an impressive 30.5 miles per gallon, traveling at speeds up to 60 miles an hour over the toughest mobile economy run in history. The results of this year's test run show that a Falcon still holds the record for the highest gas mileage ever recorded by a 6 or 8 in the history of the run. Meet economy face to face. See the Falcon at your Ford dealers now.
The United States Air Force Academy. In the 2 short years since their first graduating class, the Academy cadets have been making history. Their mascot, the fleet and courageous Falcon. This Falcon, too, has made history in the past 2 years, the Ford Falcon. It made history in the Mobile Economy Run. by setting an all-time record for the highest gas mileage ever recorded by a 6 or 8. It made history when Ford priced it below every other American 6-passenger car. And Falcon made history again when it became America's best-selling compact. And here's the leader of the compact wagons, the 1962 Falcon wagon. It has a load space over 7 feet long, and it's typically Falcon in gas mileage and low price. Go with a history-making Falcon or Falcon wagon. Get the keys from your Ford dealer.
Live it up, 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 live it up with a lively one from Ford.
For people who won't take dull for an answer, here's the season's new hit, the lively new Falcon Squire. Its elegant wood-like steel paneling tells you immediately the Falcon Squire rates star billing. Your front row seats can be bucket style with a personal console. In the balcony, plenty of room. A Falcon has load space over 7 feet long. And once you cue in that gas-hoarding Falcon engine, you know you've got a winner. A 4-star feature with price of admission well below many standard compacts. That's the Falcon Squire, one of 13 lively new Ford station wagons, both compact and full-size.
Laugh it up, love it up, live it up with a lively one from Ford.
See the lively ones at your Ford dealers now.
The architecture of nature blends color, texture, structure. Simple, clean, unique in beauty. This is the beauty of the most distinctive new compact station wagon for 1962, Falcon Squire by Ford. Its steel side paneling with elegant wood-like finish gives the Squire a sophistication new to compact wagons. It's available with individually contoured twin bucket seats and a handy personal console between them. An electrically operated rear window is standard equipment, giving easy access to the longest interior load space of any compact wagon. With all its new features of beauty and comfort and convenience, the Squire still delivers Falcon's traditional economy. See the 1962 Falcon Squire, one of 13 new Falcons at your Ford dealers.
If you've got a load too big to fit into a full-size station wagon, then you need this wagon, the new Falcon Club Wagon. The Club Wagon costs less than many compact wagons, yet has twice the load space of the biggest full-size wagons. Twice the space. The Club Wagon can be made to carry loads of people, too, 8 in all, on wide, comfortable seats. Got a load of fun to carry? Then the wagon for you is this money-saving 4-door Falcon wagon. Its load space is over 7 feet long, almost 9 feet long with the tailgate down. If you want to carry people and carry them in extra style, then take them in this wagon, the new Falcon Squire. Smart wood-like steel side paneling, an electrically operated rear window as standard equipment, and optional twin bucket seats with handy personal console give the Squire an elegance and sophistication new to compact wagons. See the full line of low-priced Falcon wagons at your Ford dealers now. Now, there's a great new Falcon with a great new look. The exciting new Falcon Sports Futura. Falcon's new look starts here with a sleek new Thunderbird-styled roof, available with a distinctive vinyl covering. The new Sports Futura's beauty continues inside, where you are cradled in comfort by a pair of deep foam bucket seats. And between the seats, you'll find a handy personal console right at your fingertips. This is the new Falcon Sports Futura, bringing you new beauty, new luxury, and the added performance of an optional 170 special engine. Yet for all its features, the Sports Futura is still priced below some standard compacts. It's just one of 14 lively Falcons that offer you proven top gas mileage and the lowest price of any 6-passenger car in America. See them all at your Ford dealers, home of the lively ones.
Here are all the American 6-passenger cars that cost more than Falcon. Here are all the ones that cost less. None. There are no American 6-passenger cars that cost less than Falcon. See the Falcon, America's lowest priced 6-passenger car, at your Ford dealers now. Does anything use less fuel than a Falcon? Yes. Some things do. However, no one entered cigarette lighters in last spring's mobile gas economy run, but everyone entered compact cars, and Falcon topped them all with the highest gas mileage ever recorded by a 6 or 8 in the 25-year history of the run. See Falcon at your Ford dealers now.
I drove the new Ford Fairlane 500 this morning. Now, that's the right third car for this family.
Third car?
Sure, right size for our garage, plenty of room for your long legs, easy for Missy to park, and it's the right price, too. Costs less than many compacts. Why don't you go see it tonight?
Hazel, I just haven't the time.
I thought you'd say that. So I parked it in our driveway.